Hello, everybody. This is Archit Kamath. I'm glad to see all of you. I'll soon be coming to YouTube on Gate Conquerors. I am a plus educator currently at an academy, and I was a part of Gate Conquerors. So I will be coming on the YouTube channel of Gate Conquerors to basically handle control systems for all of you. These classes are absolutely free. And we will solve a lot of problems, and you will get to see a lot of shortcuts and tricks from my experience, whatever I have garnered in teaching so many students so far. So I will share all of that with you. Hopefully you will also enjoy learning it from me. So hope to see you in large numbers. I will be starting this class possibly from the 13th or 14th of this month. And we will try to complete control systems within the next month's 14th or something like that, something close to that deadline. Okay. All of you, please do attend. The schedule will also be put up very soon. And also you can get problems also to the class that you already have as some doubts or something. We will solve that as well. After that, we will also start some other courses also. But for now, we will begin with control systems by 14th. Yeah, 14th or 13th. Thank you. Thank you so much.